In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link images in Google Sheets using two functions. Whether you're organizing a personal project or collaborating on a professional spreadsheet, being able to enhance your data with visual elements like images can really bring your sheets to life. We'll be utilizing the hyperlink and image functions in Google Sheets to achieve this, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account and have opened up Google Sheets. You can start a new sheet or work on an existing one, whatever suits your needs. Once you have your Google Sheet open and ready, it's time to pinpoint where you'd like to place your image. To do this, simply select a cell by clicking on it. This cell is where your linked image will appear, so choose a spot that makes sense in your layout. Now that you've got your cell selected, we need to enter a formula. The magic of linking images comes from using a combination of Google's hyperlink and image functions. In the selected cell, type the following formula. Hyperlink, http://n, wikipedia.org/wiki, banana, image, http://upload, wikimedia.org/wikipedia, commons, thumb, dd, banana varieties.jpg 250px, banana varieties.jpg. Here, the hyperlink function is being used to create a link, and the image function is embedding the image directly within that link. You can replace these URLs with the ones you need. Just ensure that the image URL is directly accessible. After entering the formula, press the Enter key on your keyboard. If everything is correctly formatted, you should see the image appear in your selected cell. When you click on this image, it will take you directly to the link specified within the hyperlink function. This is a great way to make your sheets more interactive and engaging, providing you with both a visual cue and the capability to navigate to relevant information seamlessly. A couple of things to keep in mind. The image you want to use should be publicly accessible, meaning it's hosted on a server that doesn't need specific permissions to display it. Also, the URL in the hyperlink function can be anything web accessible, so it's entirely flexible to suit different contexts, whether it be directing to a reference site, a product page, or even a document within your organization. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to link images within Google Sheets using two simple yet powerful functions. This technique can really elevate the way your data is presented and enrich the information you share. Keep experimenting with different image URLs and links to see how this feature can best enrich your Google Sheets. Happy spreadsheeting, and see you in the next video.